Shanghai. And yesterday, my manager, Mr. Ding, has introduced the Wecon product line. And today, I'm going to introduce the demonstration of Wecon system and Wecon some application that Wecon did before. So let's move your eyes. And this screen, this big screen is displayed the Wecon VNet, and for this system, for this demonstration, it is showing the plastic molding machine. So here is showing the pictures of the machine. So if there is any status of the machine in the well, also showing some, for example, the picture maybe showing the alarm here, and also in the above there is the temperatures of the machine, the pressure, humidity, and the oil temperature of this machine. And in left side is also showing the situation, the state of the production, and also the trend of the alarm. And here also showing the data for the production. So with this VNet system, you can achieve the central monitor and more data monitor, and easy to debug and give something information to your customers. For example, you can show this screen to customer to show your factory what is trends and what is powerful. So this is the VNet. Also in the right side, it will showing the number of the device, also the information of the alarm. And by the way, now we have another system. It's called WIEC. This platform is we developed for some customization customers. It's a private server. Our RD will help customers to design and develop the server for themselves. And also for the server, it also depends on the customer's needs. It could be used for example, AWS IoT and Google IoT. So always depend on the customer's needs. And now I'm going to do some operation of the WIEC. This is the main page of the WIEC. So you can see there is an introduction of the WIEC, and you can also find that the interface is different from the Wecon VNet. So you don't need to worry about if you are OEM customers, you don't need to worry about your interface will be similar with the Wecon VNet, because this system we developed for them. Yeah. And here showing the device information, also the to-do list for their system. And either cool, also for the WIEC, we can develop the PC software, the application for mobile phone, and we can do all the customization through this WIEC. And next, I'm going to show you the demonstration project for water treatment. And through this map is showing the China map, and in the below side is showing the device distribution. You can select the state of the map to find out the device, and you can also know that the device distribution through this. And here, and you can also find the device information of the online device, offline device, also the device status, and also showing the number of alarm. And here we're also showing the current alarm list. So this is the interface of VIEC. So next, let's move eyes to another. I will introduce our new product for Webox. And this is our new product for Webox. At the beginning of this year, we launched the RH Wi-Fi model. This is a model that supports the HDMI and the Wi-Fi. And next, it's the RH4G. It's our new product. We just launched it in Chinese market this month, in these days. So it supports the 4G models. And RE4G is also an economy model for the R series. And RE and RH series, their advantages, you can see them as HMI, but without the screen, because the software of them is the PI Studio. So the customer still need to design the programs through the PI Studio and showing the HMI project, showing the HMI project. So now this model already connect these two television through the HDMI. And by the way, here also showing the master that RE and RH Webox in TV. The first master is RE RH through the router, using the Ethernet port to connect with the router. Then access the TV, access the interface through the browser in TV. And second, the TV connect with the RE and RH Webox through the Ethernet directly. And finally, using the browser to access the interface directly. And third, it's the smart TV using the Wecon TV application to access the interface.
这是我们不可能告诉他。不是，就是一个 DPU 产品啊。不过是也有讲究。
And next, I will introduce the demo tree with Wecon G-code function. This G-code function demo tree is using a 15-inch IoT HMI and L6 free PLC. And the Ethernet server VD3E series. Through this demo tree, it's showing the G-code function. So this solution it supports the customers import the G-code film, import the CAD film. Then the Lua screen in the HMI will evaluate and read the CAD film and export the X, Y, Z position of the movement, so that this could be to the movement of the to achieve the movement. And by the way, for the POC, we achieved this movement through the XC group FB and for the interpolation instruction. For this solution, since we're using the Ethercat bus control, so the wiring is very convenient. The customer just need to use in the Ethernet port to connect the HMI to connect with the X6V through the Ethercat, and also for the Ethercat server. So the wiring is very simple. And also for this system, it's very easier to migration the project to other device to also to the machinery. And next, I will introduce our other solution. This screen is showing the Wecon numerical drilling and milling machine. And also using the PI IG series HMI and L6V PLC. And this is mainly to introduce, for example, the customers scan the QR code of the drawing they need, and finally the server will obtain the length, angle, quantity of the materials, and finally export to the machinery. And finally, the machinery has another QR code, and finally to do some actions to the drilling and the milling machine. Through this solution, it can improve the production efficiency and reduce the cost of the maintenance. Also, improve the product quality. Here is the import CSV code of the drawing. And we are cutting. Here, this picture we are showing the movement. So next, it's another demonstration. This is the application for 5-axis stone cutting using industry camera, also ITC through a motion controller. But now we only launched the motion controller MC200 in Chinese market. But in overseas market, we have the L6C PLC, which is support the motion control function and also the robotic function. So through the X6C, you can achieve the same application. And also it supports the hand wheel. And by the way, it connects with 5-axis servo. Through this solution, the advantage since it's using the Ethercat bus control, so the control will be more accuracy, and the wiring will be more simple, and the system will be more stable. And can import the CAD film directly to achieve the wireless features. And it also supports wiring functions. So you can see this screen to know the application. And next, I will introduce the Wecon AC power cable terminal. This is the solution for AC power terminal. And we're using the PI series for 7-inch and X5 with PLC. And also a 4-channel high-speed input and some DI and DO module. And with this solution, we're using 11 axis servo. And different servo have different functions. And through this solution, for the cable in 3 meters, and the production efficiency could achieve 1,800 pieces per hour. And for the 1.8 to 2 meters, and the production efficiency can achieve 1,600 pieces. And with this solution, the accuracy can control within 1 micrometer. And also for this system, we're using a Wecon version system to monitor the color of the cable. So this system will find that if the wiring or if the cable, if there is something wrong. And so it has different So this is the demonstration I want to show you today. And if you have any question about the solution, about also for the VNet, for VIC, you can contact our sales or leave your comments in our Facebook or LinkedIn. Okay, so see you next time.